Hello, this is Susan and welcome to my channel. On this channel, you're going to find a lot of videos that have to do with memory keeping. One of my favorite things to do is pocket style scrapbooking. And I'm working in a 9x12 album using many different brands of products. I also enjoy sharing with my subscribers my love of watercolor. I've been watercoloring since October of 2019, and I enjoy painting flowers. And even within my flowers, I do enjoy doodling and writing scripture. And painting dresses is one of my newfound loves. In November of every year, I begin preparing for my December daily. I've been working on December dailies for probably 7 or 8 years now. One of my favorite things to do. I do have a Facebook group called December Daily Inspiration Group. Anything goes on Facebook, and I would love to have you over there and to join us. I also share my faith art on this channel. I work in my Bible. I work in traveler's notebooks. I enjoy working in the illustrated faith daily devotional books, as well as adding my faith art into my Project Life album. Thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.